Welcome to my channel. Meet two friends, Sarah and James, both in their 30s, both with the same problem, debt. Sarah owes on credit cards, student loans, and a car note. James has the same pile of debt. But here's the twist. 5 years later, Sarah has saved over $9,000 in interest compared to James, even though they both worked just as hard. What made the difference? The strategy. Sarah chose the Debt Avalanche Method, a smart, math-driven approach to destroying debt. James, he went with whatever felt easiest. Today, I'm going to walk you through how the debt avalanche works, why it's mathematically superior, and how you can apply it to your own financial life starting right now. Part 1. Why debt feels overwhelming. Storytelling. James used to sit at his kitchen table every Sunday night, opening envelopes and staring at numbers. His credit card balance never seemed to go down. $5,000 at 22% interest just sat there laughing at him. He paid the minimum, but it felt like quicksand. The more he struggled, the deeper he sank. Sarah, on the other hand, didn't like that feeling of helplessness. She wanted a plan, a strategy that wasn't about feelings, but about results. That's when she found the debt avalanche. Part 2. How the avalanche works. Let's break it down in a way Sarah would have. 1. List all debts with details. Credit card, $5,000 at 22%. Personal loan, $2,000 at 13%. Car loan, $12,000 at 9%. Student loan, $15,000 at 6%. 2. Order the list by interest rate, not balance. Credit card, 22%. Personal loan, 13%. Car loan, 9%. Student loan, 6%. 3. Make minimums on all debts to stay current. 4. Throw every extra dollar at the highest interest debt first. Storytelling. Sarah worked a side hustle, making $200 a month babysitting. Every dollar went straight to the credit card at 22%. She didn't even touch the car loan or student loan yet, just minimum payments there. Slowly, painfully, that balance began to melt. It wasn't glamorous. Friends would tell her, "Why not pay the small personal loan first? You'll feel accomplished." But Sarah was determined to win the bigger war, not just a small battle. Part 3. Why avalanche saved you the most. Here's the math. Paying off a $5,000 credit card at 22% saves thousands in interest compared to starting with a $2,000 loan at 13%. The longer you let high-interest debt sit, the more it grows, like weeds in a garden. Storytelling. By month 10, Sarah had crushed the credit card. That alone saved her nearly $1,000 in future interest. She rolled that freed-up $300 payment into her personal loan at 13%. Suddenly, it was gone in just 6 months. Meanwhile, James, who went after his smallest balance first, felt great early on. But 5 years later, he had spent $9,000 more on interest than Sarah. Same effort, different outcome. Part 4. The emotional challenge. The avalanche is powerful, but it's not easy. Storytelling. Sarah admitted there were nights she felt discouraged. She'd say, "Why am I still staring at the same credit card balance?" For 10 months, it felt like nothing was happening. That's the trade-off. The Snowball gives quick wins, but Avalanche gives bigger savings. Sarah kept a journal where she tracked the interest she avoided. Every month she wrote, "This month, I saved $150 in interest compared to paying the minimums." That record kept her going. Analogy, it's like chopping down a massive tree. Swing after swing, nothing seems to happen. Until finally, one day, it falls. Avalanche feels like that, slow at first, then unstoppable. Part 5. Avalanche versus Snowball. Debt Snowball motivates you with quick wins by paying off small balances first. Debt Avalanche motivates you with math, saving the most interest over time. Neither is wrong. But Sarah knew her personality. She could stay disciplined even without quick wins. Storytelling. When Sarah and James compared strategies after 5 years, James had one less loan than her at first, but she had thousands more in savings. He sighed and said, "If only I'd done the avalanche, I'd have been debt-free already." Part 6. How to supercharge the avalanche. Sarah didn't just follow the avalanche. She maximized it. Tips woven with her story. 1. Automation. She set automatic payments to her credit card, so she never missed. 2. Side hustles. She drove Uber on weekends. Every penny went to debt. 3. Lifestyle cuts. Canceled subscriptions. Stopped eating out. 4. Debt consolidation. Moved some balances to lower interest cards when she could. 5. Celebrated milestones. Every time she wiped out a debt, she had a small celebration, a picnic, a movie night, something low cost but meaningful. Part 7. The Big Payoff. Storytelling. Fast forward 5 years. Sarah sat at her kitchen table again, but this time with tears of joy. Every debt was gone. She added up her savings. Nearly $9,000 less paid in interest compared to James. What did she do with the freed up money? She opened an investment account. The $600 a month she once threw at debt was now going into index funds. Her avalanche didn't just destroy debt. It built her future wealth. Closing. So here's your takeaway. The debt avalanche may not feel exciting at first, but it's the smartest, most cost-effective path to financial freedom. Action step. 1. Write down all your debts. 2. Order them by interest rate, highest to lowest. 3. Pay minimums on everything else. 4. Attack that highest interest debt with everything you've got. Stick with it, and you'll not only pay off debt, you'll save thousands in the process. Remember Sarah and James. Same debt, same effort, different results. Which story will be yours? If you gain value from this video, don't forget to click the thumbs button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.